Hello! In this video, we will share some of our favorite things that we have in our new home that we absolutely love. Number 1 on the list is a digital door lock. We did not have these in our previous homes, and having to fumble with many keys every time we open or lock the doors and gates have been a real chore. It can be inconvenient to carry many keys around, and it might even scratch up your wallet or bags. So when we moved into our new home, we knew we wanted a keyless door lock. There are many brands and models out there, and after shopping around, we settled for the Philips model as it has a smart lever mechanism and the door can be unlocked in one motion that is just very intuitive for us. It can be unlocked using number pin, fingerprint, and the easy key, even though we mainly just use the fingerprint function. The gate and the door locks have to be unlocked separately as we did not want both locks to be opened together, and it also does not connect to Wi-Fi and cannot be activated from the phone for security purposes. We also chose a matte surface instead of glossy so that there will not be fingerprint marks on the door lock. Overall, we really like this as it is very convenient. Now, a word from the sponsor of this video, Hometrust. Hometrust is Singapore's trusted community review site which offers advice and feedback for homeowners who are looking to renovate their homes. They provide authentic reviews from hundreds of homeowners who have personally gone through the renovation process. From the projects and ideas page, you can browse through many renovation projects done by different interior design firms. The renovation costs for the projects are clearly indicated, so you will have a clearer picture of what your home can possibly look like with your desired budget. If you are overwhelmed, don't worry. You can simply click on the Get Recommendations button right at the top, choose the style that you like, select some design features that you want to have in your home, and then indicate some basic details of your property and budget. Hometrust will recommend suitable interior designers to get in touch with you to help you create your dream home. Check out the link to Hometrust in the description box below to kickstart your renovation. Number 2. Smart Home, which includes smart lights and an IR blaster. Whenever we come back home or leave the house, we will use voice command that is linked to Google Home to switch on or off the lights. This is especially useful when you are carrying a lot of heavy things and need to switch on the lights on hands-free mode. We also linked the aircon to the IR blaster that is also connected to Google Home. The ceiling lights and light strips are from Yeelight, and the track lights are from 3 Cubes Lighting. We installed the Yeelight Halo 470 ceiling light in the 3 bedrooms and in the living room and foyer, the Yeelight Aura 450 in the kitchen and dining room, and the Yeelight Luna 320 in the bathrooms, service yard, and household shelter. The track light bulbs at the living room, corridor, and bedrooms are Field Light RGB Smart GU10 bulbs. We did not opt for smart switches as we were mostly using voice command, and also smart switches can be quite costly. If you are not sure whether to get warm, cool, or daylight, we recommend getting smart lights that enable you to pick and choose the light color temperature that best suits the mood that you are going for. Number 3. Good Wi-Fi connection. In our previous homes, we always had internet signal problems, and it was incredibly frustrating to troubleshoot the issue every time that it occurs. When we moved into our new place, we were determined to eliminate this problem once and for all, even though we are still at the mercy of our internet service provider. Instead of opting for a mesh network or to only have one router, we have 2 routers for the internet connection. One router is installed in the living room on top of the TV console, and another is in the study room. During the electrical works phase, we requested for the electrician to pull the internet wire from the DB box to the living room. As BTOs come with a LAN port in every room, the 2 routers method works for us. Now, we have very strong internet signal in all of the rooms and even in the bathrooms with the doors closed, and there are no internet dead zones in the house. Number 4. Having a dishwasher. For us, a dishwasher is a must-have in the modern home as it saves time, electricity, and water. It is truly a blessing. An advantage of building your kitchen carpentry from scratch is that you can integrate the dishwasher into your design that will make your carpentry seamless with the rest of your cabinetry while deciding the best place to fit in with the water piping. Take note that the kitchen curb will need to be 10 cm instead of the usual 5 cm, so this will eat into your carpentry space a little bit. If you are not sure whether this is useful for you and you prefer a smaller tabletop dishwasher, you will then need to allocate ample tabletop space as it is still quite bulky. Our recommendation is to go for a full-size dishwasher, which can be either integrated into your carpentry or a freestanding one that you can bring to your next home. This way, you will get the full benefit of a dishwasher to clean all the greasy pots and pans and still have space to fit in the other crockeries. Number 5. Having a large OLED TV, because bigger is always better. For a 4-room BTO, a 65-inch TV may seem oversized at first, but once you get used to it, you will really love it. The size of the TV affects the type of TV bracket mount that you install at the start, as it has different weight thresholds. If you choose to upgrade to a larger TV later on, and if the TV bracket that you have is unable to support the weight, you will have to incur additional costs to change the bracket or use the TV stand on the TV console instead. In that case, you need to ensure that the TV console needs to be able to withstand the weight of the TV. We recommend an OLED TV and pair it with a good soundbar. Remember to also get blackout curtains to complete the full cinema experience. Number 6. Having 2 TVs, because we are excessive like that. This way, we don't have to fight for the TV when we want to watch different shows at the same time. Happy wife, happy life, right? Anyway, we got this Samsung QLED TV at a pretty sweet deal. The $2,000 TV came with a free Samsung vacuum power board worth $799 and a free Dyson hairdryer and the Dyson hairdryer stand worth $727. The QLED TV is better for viewing in the day compared to the OLED, while the OLED has true black levels that is just unmatched. We are glad we get to try out both types of display. Number 7. Roborock S7 Vacuum. This is another precious jewel of the home. We really love the simultaneous vacuum and mop function and also the vibrise function because we have a cupboard in the living room. At the time, the self-emptying models are not readily available in the market yet, and Roborock is the only one with the vibrise function. In case you were wondering, the Samsung Powerboard is at our parents' place. Having the Roborock has helped us save a lot of time in cleaning the house, and so far we have not encountered any problems with it. Number 8. Having mirror doors. The DB box originally came in 4 pieces of wooden panels. We wanted to place mirrors in the home so that we can check out our outfit before leaving the house. The DB box seemed like a good place for that, so we switched it to a 2-panel mirror. The 2 mirror doors can be opened and closed via a tic-tac mechanism. One downside is that there will be fingerprint marks that you will need to wipe off after use. However, since we do not need to open these panels often, that is not a big issue. One renovation tip is to check the mirrors with your ID and contractor after the installation and make sure that the mirrors are not bent or warped, because it would look really strange. For us, one of the mirror doors was warped and the ID had to change both pieces. In any case, we really love these mirrors as it reflects the light from the windows and makes the living room seem more spacious. Number 9. Having a Tempur mattress. When we went shopping for mattresses, we were sure that we wanted a good one. We tried many different brands including Tempur, Sealy, Siemens, King Koil, Hilker, IKEA, Noah, and 4-Star. We preferred a memory foam mattress to a spring mattress, and the most comfortable mattress that we tried were from Tempur. We went to their flagship store at Nassim Road and the Harvey Norman Millennium Walk outlet and were informed that every store actually carries their own signature series. The one we bought was Sensation Elite 25 from Harvey Norman at the Millennium Walk outlet. The mattress also came with 2 pillows, so we chose the Symphony pillows that suits us the most. Even though we really splurged on the mattress, it is a purchase that we do not regret at all. Number 10. Having a home gym. This is a key feature in our home that we really like as well. We are able to access commercial gym equipment in the comfort of our own home, regardless of the weather conditions. We have a full video on the whole home gym setup posted on our channel, so please check it out if you are interested. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.